Good afternoon, YouTubers. Um, I still haven't gotten around to uploading that video. I got to make sure I find all my pictures with the one I was talking about uploading with how my lupus affects me and everything. I washed my hair this morning. I wish I would have showed me doing that, but it was gunked up, y'all. As you can see, I didn't get all of it off. Whatever. I had these cornrows in since the 30th of last month, and I plan on keeping them in. I got a lot of new girls, if you can see that on my cornrows. And these are the same cornrows I had in when I had my crochets, the Senegalese twist in or whatever. And yes, my stocking cap got holes in it because I be sticking my combs through my stocking cap. I don't know why, but yeah. I'm finna show y'all today how I'm going to flat iron this wig I got. I need to turn that this way. Yeah, I'm gonna show y'all how I flat iron this wig I got or whatever. And I'm finna show y'all the wig. It's a used wig what someone gave me. Majority of the wigs that I have, someone gave them to me, and I just took and washed them real good. I know the person real good, that's even before this corona broke out. But I washed them real good and try to restore them. But this is the wig here. As you can see, terrible. It is a prime collection, and it is 100% human hair, as you can see, and it's prime collection, okay? And I don't even got I really don't need too much of nothing. So what I'm gonna do is put the wig on to the area that I want it. I don't do middle parts, okay? I really don't. I don't like middle parts. I don't look right with the middle part. Okay. So this what it look like, okay? Straight terrible, okay? But I'm finna show you. Okay. Let me get this here. Okay. I'm just taking pull some of it up, honey. I don't know. It's cute. I like the color. I hope I don't burn myself, y'all. So if I flinch, I done hit myself with this thing. I don't do heat. Huh? I'm recording. Yes, my brush dirty, okay? Don't get on me about that, all right? But yeah, if you see me flinch, I don't do heat, y'all. I really don't. I'm like a big old youngin'. And this ain't even my hair. I'm gonna just bend it a little bit like that there. Just to get that bump or whatever I do. Oh God, it's real sharp back there. Lord, I want to get stuck on the sink. I know you lying. Ooh, where's that? Ooh. Okay. Yeah, girl. Honey. But like I said, I'm finna see what I can do with this wig, child. I like this color. I like color. Even though a lot of people don't think dark skinned people should wear color, but I won't wear my color. I bought, well, I ain't buy this, but you know, it was gay to me. But if I bought it, I'ma wear it. If it's gay to me, I'ma wear it. Okay? Ooh, where's that? Where's that? Ooh! Okay. Take it. Bend that again. I'ma just go in and just bend everything. Okay. Give me some of that hair right here. This flat iron keep getting stuck on this thing. It's making me scared even more. All I'm doing is putting a little bend in it to get it unstuck up like it is now. Yeah, so nothing too much. Everything I do is simple, honey. I don't know how to curl. I see a piece that didn't get curled. Okay, I'll get that. But yeah, I am super duper. When it comes to heat, I don't play with it. These flat irons and stuff, child, I had a bad experience as a child, so I'm scared. I don't even want the blow dryer in my head half the time. Okay, it's coming along, y'all. Oh God, my arm hurt. Y'all, I'm so stiff. It rained so much. Yesterday, that's when I have most of my problems, especially when it comes to my arthritis. The weather, when it rain or get ready to rain, I hurt so bad, y'all. Okay, now let me get this. I wish I could turn around, but I ain't. Ooh, trying to make sure I don't get my hands, y'all. I will flip out. Y'all will see me flip out on this camera. Phew. Hey, you. Okay. Get him his saying that. Oh, yeah. So, I hope everybody's having a good day. I'm going into work late today. Because when we got back yesterday from coming from out of town. I was still kind of sleepy this morning, so I'm going in late, but I'm gonna make sure I do all my time today. Ow. Stuck myself in the eye. So that curl come out. That's too much of a curl right now, honey. That's too bent. I don't want it that bent. Ah, damn, that was hot. Yeah, her wholesome. Woo, 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 woo. And then even after I get this curled, I still got to reposition it how I want it. Because I don't think this is it. Yeah, I really don't. I don't think this is the way I want it. Sitting on my head. It might come off because I ain't got it clipped. Got my pins in there. My hair combs in my hair yet. So, because I didn't want to be pulling on it. Pull my hair out. But yeah, this hair gets hot. Okay, there we go.
That's a smoke sauce. That ain't no hot dog.
Where?
In no place.
Okay. We getting in there now. I got to find that hair I just put down right here. So, I hope everybody is staying safe through this pandemic. I know for sure I am. Because like I said, I got health problems and I don't want no extra stuff going on with me. You know, a lot of people oh God, sorry y'all. Oh God, sorry y'all. Hit the camera, my cord. A lot of people is not too much taking it serious. I know I am. Like I said, I ain't trying to get sick. See, it's trying to burn me. But the devil is a lie. Okay. It's coming to life, y'all. It's gonna be a kind of sort of longest video, so yeah. I'm gonna try not to make it a long video, so I'm finna start making my parts kind of big. Because I don't want to bore y'all, okay? I don't want to be bored. Boring. Yeah. But it is what it is. My wig is slipping. I like the color of this. It reminds me of Kool-Aid. Okay. Let me see how it is. Like I said, I ain't doing nothing to it. Too much, nothing but bending the ends of it. So, bending my ends and nah, that ain't how I need it. Oop, there we go. I told y'all I did not know how to curl, honey. Okay, we're gonna go up in here. Okay. Woo, I am tired. Yeah, I know my cornrows look. I know y'all done seen some cornrows look worse than mine. But yeah, I plan on keeping them in for a good while because I do not like getting. I don't be wanting to get my hair braided all the time. Kind of reduce my breakage or whatever. Oh God, I dropped my brush. Oh, hopefully I don't drop the phone. Okay. That goes on that side as well. Little wig can make you look a little different, but I'm trying to tell you. Because I be looking right. Half the time I don't even wear my own hair. I ain't gonna say I got dropped down to my back hair, but I got some of my own hair. Okay. Or whatever. But I won't wear it because when it get, like I like to wear my hair in my afro. And if I keep it like that for a while, it be nappy and hurt. So calm it. Chill. I don't. I don't wear my hair like that. Ooh, that was hot. I know you lying. Take your little bump bump. Okay. Whew. Oh, yeah, arthritis ain't no joke. I'm trying to tell you, I think I got it. Ooh. They ain't really took no x-rays. They just told me where they think I got arthritis at. So, child, and my arms and stuff is like, bro. This heat from this wig and this flat iron is about to make me monkey. Okay, this is my last piece, y'all. We at 21:57. Okay. This is what we're looking like after I flat ironed it. Now I'm gonna put my combs in and rearrange how I want it. I want my part as far on this side as possible because I think it looks cute like that on me. Okay. Oh, them combs kind of tight. How? What you got? What you got, baby? Alright. Yeah, I'm crazy, y'all. So don't pay me no mind. Um, y'all tell me what you think. It's like I said, it's just a little wig I restored or whatever. I had done washed it. I just didn't do nothing to it or whatever. So y'all just say your girl what you think or whatever. You know, I think it's cute. Yeah, nah. Woo. But yeah. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you haven't checked out my other videos, be sure to go like and comment on those. I will be doing a mukbang today when I get home from work, y'all. So be in tune for that, you feel me? Till then, take care, stay safe, and be blessed.